The 2025 Wildcat Mid-Profile Fifth Wheel 37BEST is built with high-end construction at an affordable price. Vacuum bonded, welded aluminum structure, high efficiency, 35,000 BTU furnace, 12 V-tank heaters, 45,000 BTU, 3 AC system, 60K BTU tankless water heater, dual roof vents for breathable attic, electric fireplace, W/thermostat control and remote, PVC roof membrane W/lifetime warranty, 4x6 sectioned underbelly armor, 50 amp service, dual 20 pounds, LP tanks room for 30 pounds, sidewalls, 2 inches high density block foam insulation, roof, residential fiberglass insulation, floor, residential fiberglass insulation, W/5/8 inches tongue and groove plywood, 4-point auto level, 21 inches 2-in-1 oven rain, 30 inches OTR microwave, 16 cu, 412V refrigerator, 60-gallon fresh water capacity, high-top freestanding dinette W/4 chairs, 2 power awnings, heavy-duty slam latch baggage doors, 2 inches towing receiver W/4-way plug, RV king queen-size bed, S, extra wide entry door, and composite entry steps, flush floor, linoleum galley slide-out,